Hello guys, heartily welcome to that coding bro. Now today, as some of the people asked, and it was not only for that people, many people who are joining BTech or anything, they have a doubt that what is a laptop I need to buy, and which type of laptop is better for my purpose, education purpose or homely purpose, everything. Today I will clear most of your doubts and I will suggest a laptop with some requirements. Search for those requirements, you will buy a laptop easily. Okay, now let's move on to our video. First of all, while choosing a laptop, what are the things we need to consider? Okay, first thing is operating system. Okay, follow this order. You can classify your laptop based on your budget. I am not discussing about budget, I am discussing on the requirements and the things which are needed for a best laptop. Then you can buy whichever the country you are and wherever you are, you can buy according to your prices. I am not discussing price and I am not discussing the specific laptop. I am telling the requirements. Based on this, you prefer your laptop. Okay, at the end of the video I will make you the person who can judge whether a laptop is good or bad for you. Okay, first operating system, next CPU, next RAM. Okay, next storage. These are very important. Okay, these are very important. And another one thing is graphics, graphic card. Okay, first, what is meant by operating system? Operating system means you are like, where if you do mobiles, in the mobiles there are different variants like Android mobile, iOS mobile, like that. The processor which will work, or the system is made using Android technology, like that. In operating systems there are three different types: Windows, iOS means Apple's one, they are nothing but Mac OS, Mac operating system. Next, Linux. These are three operating systems present in laptops. Okay, now coming to CPU, there are now there are i3 core. i3 means third generation of i5, i7, i9. This is I variant, and another one is AMD. AMD variant. It will be like generation like 5 or 7, like that. Increasing the generation. C, this is i3, i5, i7, i9 is latest one. Okay, now coming to RAM, random access memory. Whenever you are opening a file, or you are running a program, or you are running a software, it will run in RAM. Okay, in your mobile also there will be a RAM like 8 GB, 2 GB, 4 GB, like that. In computer also there will be 4 GB RAM, 8 GB RAM, 16 GB RAM, like that. Okay, now coming to storage, like your mobile storage, in laptops also there are two types of storage. Like mobile, there is also one storage needed, right, in laptop to store all the things. But in case of laptop, there are two storages. One is HDD, one is SDD. HDD means hard disk drive. Okay, hard disk drive. SDD means solid state drive. Solid state drive. Okay, don't think for which is better or which is better. I will tell SDD is better because it is faster. It is faster compared to HDD. Okay, now coming to graphic card. Nowadays many people are offering inbuilt graphic card. Means whenever you are purchasing a laptop, inbuilt they are providing that graphic card. It is fine, you don't need to buy extra or something. So you can delete this option. Maximum all laptop people are providing inbuilt graphics. Okay, these are the four main things which you need to consider. Now keep in mind that I am suggesting a laptop for BTech people. BTech people means who runs programs, who does coding, and who run software projects and do complex projects in your laptop. For those people, I am giving one basic requirement, which is somewhat a major or a best requirement. Okay. Now see, the requirement is first CPU, your wish, Windows or Mac OS, your wish. But now I am discussing in terms of Windows because all people can't afford Mac OS, and I am preferring the Windows. In Windows, there are best companies are Dell, Lenovo, HP, but I will prefer Dell. Your wish, whatever the company you buy, no worries. All the three companies are good, and I don't know regarding Asus and the remaining companies. I don't know. I was a little bit. I have idea on these three companies. These three companies are fine, but my preference is first Dell, second HP, third Lenovo. Okay. Now coming to CPU, Windows or Mac OS, your wish. Next, processor. Processor, if is it is better to buy i5 fifth generation and above means in i5 only there will be sixth generation, 8, 12 like that. i5 fifth generation onwards, anything you buy, no worries. In case of AMD, fifth generation onwards, anything you can buy, but prefer, see in this I will tell prefer Windows, Dell laptop and i5. I is more, it is fine. I am using it. I is fine. If you are interested to go with AMD, you can go, but my suggestion is I, because I am using I I am using i7. No issues. i5 also enough. Okay. Now coming to RAM. RAM, try for at least minimum 8 GB. Okay. 8 GB. After that, there will be direct 16 GB. If your budget is okay, then go for 16 GB. Else 8 GB is fine. Okay. Now after RAM, memory. First preference give for SSD. 256 GB also fine. 512 GB is preferable. Or else HDD 512 GB. See, circle thing is the best thing. Circle things are best thing. Windows, Dell, i5, 8 GB or 16 GB, 512 GB. This thing is fine. Else go for 512 GB. If you think that, sir, for me 256 GB is very less, like that, then take SSD 256 GB and purchase one hard disk. Hard disk is approximately 4000 to 5000. Then you will get this fast memory with one storage. If the storage is 1 TB, 1 TB only 5000, you can purchase easily. Instead of buying HDD, go with SSD 256 GB or 512 GB and take one hard disk. Then you are equal. Okay. Now these are the things which are required, and after that some more minor things are there. These are not necessary. You can stop video, else I will give some conclusion at last. Okay, you let's watch. And these are the things you need to follow at last. If needed, go with display bigger size, usually 13 to 15 inch, 15.6 inch available. Go for 15 if possible, because you will be get a big screen where you can watch and do all the things very easily. 13 also fine, no issues. After that, warranty, but nowadays all companies are providing same warranty, so no need of warranty anything. And before going to purchase the product, read this reviews. In Amazon and Flipkart, you will find all the reviews. Sometimes all the requirements are good, but the reviews are bad, then you should not buy that laptop. Okay, so that reviews are very important. It's a 3-star like that. What, the reviews are very important. And I suggested this laptop who are going to do coding, programming, and run major projects. If a laptop can do all the things, then the laptop is also good for household. Like you want to buy a laptop for your parents or your siblings, then this is also, it's a good option. These are the things which I will follow to buy a laptop. And all over the thing, don't forget to watch reviews. It is very important. Sometimes a laptop is very good, but the reviews are worse. Then you should not buy that laptop. And one thing, battery. Watch battery also, at least 4 hours is recommended. Less than 4 hours, it will be like wherever you go, you need to carry your charger, so that if all the requirements are fine, then leave battery, no issues. Nowadays, because they are providing at least somewhat good battery, so that's it. These are the recommendations which I will follow, and I will buy a laptop. I will prefer at least 8 GB RAM and SSD, majorly SSD. If possible, go for SSD, don't go for HDD. And based on your budget, increase your CPU, processor, RAM, and storage. These are the conditions which I will follow. That's it. Thank you.